Today we are at the fabulous Escher building, and I am going to tell you my favorite things about this downtown building. First of all, we've got the Chard signature rooftop deck with 360-degree views of the city. And second of all, the amazing location. I'm Hannah Hayworth with the Folio Group at Clover Residential, and today Oli Schmidt and I are excited to present to you our listing at 838 Broughton. This one-bed, one-bath unit boasts a functional floor plan, but my favorite part is the fact that this unit is south-facing with views of the Olympic Mountains and the water. Call this spot the downtown away from downtown. It's less busy. You've got beautiful Christchurch Cathedral here and a nice park. It's fall right now, so the leaves are falling. Super quiet and beautiful. And you've got this mini vibrant hub right outside the building with everything you need, including Discovery Coffee, Royal Theatre, my favorite, Superflux Cabana, and a brand new hip wine bar called Tourist.